Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Idris Garba. Learning two foreign languages is very important as it makes you competitive within the global market of the educational institution. For example, let's say you went to an interview in a school, and then you're sitting down, and then there's the school principal, there's the school director, and then they ask you, for example, they want to employ you as an English teacher. But when you tell them that you have a French, a German, a Chinese, a Korean, or a Turkish as your foreign language, as a second language, they will definitely employ you earlier than employing someone with only one language. And I believe by studying two foreign languages, there is no way you would actually stay without a job. Definitely out there are so many schools and so many educational institutions that are willing to welcome you, willing to employ you with this vast knowledge that you have. You see, one major important with studying at SDU is SDU basically is like home away from home. So even when you left your home to come to SDU, right from entering the university, you feel that comfort, that warmness of coming to a welcoming environment. You see, one of my professors would say, to learn a language is actually, or language itself, is a product of the social environment. So without interacting, without communicating with people, it will be very difficult. I believe one of the most important aspects of learning a foreign language or any language is practice. And you shouldn't be afraid of making any mistake because no one is perfect actually. We all make mistakes in our daily life. So you should also make some so that you perfect your language. Thank you very much.